This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Today we will, using the text tool, we will create some simple advertisement design. Okay. So yesterday we have done some of the tools about the text. Okay. So yesterday, yeah, my Photoshop works. We have done this kind of a texture. Okay. So with the nature background, we have done this texture. Okay. So and we have used blending options here. So we have done with the blending options. So I have saved only one text effect here. So blending options and all we have done yesterday class. Okay, using this text tool, we have to create some of the simple advertisement design. Okay, so let us see what kind of advertisement we can do it. Okay, first I could take this the same A4 size. Otherwise, I will go to here, file new, and international paper in that A4 size. I'll just take 297 divided by 210. Okay, so this size we can take it. Okay, suppose I want to place, uh, I want to make a, let us see what kind of products I have. So products, poster design, or I'm just showing very simple one. Okay, I have many products here. This watch over here, this I have, and this, and I could use my celebrity images with jewelry. This thing we can make it. Okay, so I'll just take this one. I'll just place this image. Okay, so suppose I want to make a jewelry advertisement. So I'll just little bit, I will reduce the size of this. Okay, so anything you can take it. Control Z. So once again, I will place this. Okay, any celebrity's image you can take it. Otherwise, it should be a good quality image. Okay, so here, little bit if you want, you can keep it like this only. Okay, so suppose I want to make a Tanishq advertisement design. So let us see. I want to add some offers and all. So I'll just go to here, rectangular mark tool. So using the rectangular mark tool, so I just want to add some text over here. So before that, I will go to the text tool, horizontal type tool. I'll just place a Tanishq logo I have already here. Okay, I have the Tanishq logo. Okay, so like this, I could place this thing and using this rectangular tool. So here I will add some background. So I'll just take a box and I will go to a new layer here in the layer. So always in Photoshop, layers are very important in all the classes I'm telling. So layer one here, I'll go to this paint bucket tool. Again, I will select the color. Suppose I want a black color, click on this and there is an option here. Okay, so using the paint bucket tool. Yes, my screen is shared. Am I audible right? Okay. So what I'll do, I have taken this black color for the new layer. I'm using this option. Okay. So I need to bring my layer here down. Okay. So and control T, just little bit you can scale the image just over like this. Okay. So just very simple. You can use any other celebrities images also. It's okay. Just I need to check whether this image, any bridal images also you can use it. Even without celebrity images also you can make the advertisement design. Okay. Okay. So here I have Tanishq logo is here and okay. Okay. So what we should mention in the advertisement. So any kind of offers we can make it and here we can use Tanishq which is having some kind of so So I'll just type the text like this only. So I'll just go to very less size. So they have the Utsav. Okay. So where is my text layer? On this I will keep it. So always which should go up, should come like this. It is maybe in black color. That is why it is not highlighting. You can pick the color here. So automatically there is an eyedropper tool will come. The same text. Suppose you want the golden text, you can add the golden text. You need to properly select the text color. See, this is the Utsav, and Control T. You can scale the image. So I'll change the font of this. Okay, so double click on this, and we have different kind of font it will be. So let us see what kind of font it is matching. So I'll just go to, okay, let me check what text is going to match. So nobody cannot read this kind of text if I use it. So let us see what kind of text we can use it. Yeah, we can use it this one. This is so, like, yeah, you can use it on this. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just do one thing. So I'll just give a different color for this area. Okay. So let me check what kind of colors I could give it only for this area. Okay. So even with the eyedropper tool, I'll take a new layer and this golden color. I'll just this one, Control D. Okay, okay. It is not that much matching. I could bring it here also. So only two color combinations I have to use it. So let us see whether it is matching. We'll keep it. Otherwise, we'll remove it. Okay. So this is the Tanish Kutsa. And what else we can add it? So I'll just go to, there is one tool here. Even yesterday, I have shown you people only the effects we can add it for the text. Now I'm going to add the effect on this area now. Now double click on, right click on this. There is an option called blending option. So here you can add this thing stroke over here. So here it is not reflecting. You can add a white stroke, and you can little bit you can have the size over here. Okay, if necessary, just give it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just give one option for this one image. I'll right click on this raster layer and right click on this. There is option called blending option. So yesterday I have used this effects for only for the text. Now I'm using for the images. So drop shadow, bevel and emboss. So I think you can see the size of this. See. So suppose you want to add the effect for the this logo. See, now it is looking as a 3D. Okay, so this is one different kind of effect. Before it is looking flat. Now you can use this one if necessary, inner glow, outer glow. Even you can see the size of this. Okay, so like this you can use the option. So what are the options you want, you can use it. Even inner glow, so inside like this the glow options will be there. Okay, so how much ever necessary you can use it. Okay, now the logo is looking different. Okay, so like this, and this Utsa, let me check what I could do with this Utsa. So just a little bit I'll increase the size of this, and there's a blending option, and if you check satin effect will look like this, gold kind of effect it will look. Gradient overlay not necessary. Okay, So let it be this much only. Otherwise, you could add the stroke also for this. Even drop shadow color also we could change it. Okay, size of the drop shadow. Okay. Necessary, we can keep it. Otherwise, it will look bright only. It will look nicely like this only. So we have to highlight this itself. Next, up to some offer, combo offer, some wedding collections, all these things we can add it. Okay. And some of the things we have to add it here. So I'll just go to some shapes over here. So there is a tool here that is called rectangular tool, rounded rectangular tool, ellipse tool, polygonal tool, and light tool, and custom shape tool. Please write down these tool names. Okay. So I will not do this one. I'll just go to custom shape tool. Okay. So if I'll go to custom shape tool, so I have option here. So I have different designs over here. So I can take any designs. Okay. Suppose I want a design like this, I can take it. So I don't want this. I'll just take some simple design. Okay. So just I don't want to make I don't want to give more designs here. Okay, let me check which design is matching for this. Anything which is very simple. I just want one box. Okay, is there any box? It is there. Just I want this box. Okay, so if you want, we'll keep it. Otherwise, just take this box. Next, this is the only option I have. So I don't have any other box. This one box is here, like this. This is having one different design. I can keep it for this, otherwise I could use completely here. So this is one different design, but left side it is not matching. So control T, you can place it over here, and this will become one complete design. So if necessary, we can use it. Okay, no need to use the frames. Just I will add it here. If otherwise, just I will write it here. So 25% on making charges. I'll select the text like this. So now this text what I should make. So I want to make it beautiful, this text only. So I'll just increase the size of the text. Okay, so here not necessary you have to highlight making charges. So click on this. I'll reduce the size of this. Okay, so here very important is which is sale. Suppose sale is there, some offer is going on. That part we want to highlight it. Okay, so I'll use a different font for this, like this kind of a highlighting font. Again I will use this font. Again I will give this only separate text. So I'll keep like 60 I have here, so I will use 70. Click on here. So keep the text. Okay. So Control T. Suppose you want to drag the text. Okay, like this. So all these things you can use it. Okay. Again, blending option. Again, we could add a drop shadow, bevel and emboss, contour, texture. All these things are there. So we could add all this option, and we could change the color of the text also. So what are the colors you want? You can add the text. Okay. So color overlay I'm not giving. Okay. So now I'll just go to this tool. I'll just add one single line. Okay. I'll go to this one, rectangular tool or rounded rectangle tool. So I'll just go to rounded rectangle tool. So anything you can use it, no problem. See, whenever you are taking the tool, always there is a property window over here. So here there is an option called line. So there is an option called fill. Okay, so all these options are there. So we need to check all this option. This is only the line. We need it only the line means just we'll add the line. This is very simple design. This much is enough means we can add this much only. For this only, suppose I want a gradient color, I will go to this gradient option. You can add some color for this. The background should not look dull. I'll just go to a simple gradient. Okay, so the shape what I have taken, I'll take the simple gradient. So both are same color. It will not match. So I cannot take more color, contrast color also I could not take. So let me check how this will look. So okay, so all are the same color only. Better just I will have. Okay, single color I could use it. I'll just go to the eyedropper color. So I'll pick some of our sari color. Then it has come like this. Then I will go to the paint bucket tool and I'll add a color. So this is our sari color. Let me check. This will look beautiful or matching or something. Okay, it will look always look with the black color only. Then we'll not make any changes. So I'll just add one simple box, simple line. Okay. So how to add a simple line? I'll just very thin line I want. I'll add the black color, the white color. It's a little difficult to make this one. Very thin line I want it. I'll take one more box, eyedropper tool, same black color and paint bucket tool, Control D. So now what happened? This will be there in the background like this. Little difficult. So you people, whenever you want to do this advertisement design, just you can use this custom shape tool only. So in that custom shape tool, we have multiple options are there. You can just use any of this box design only. Okay. So no need to, okay, so struggle so much. So just use this box only. Okay. You can do any changes like this because it is come with the layer. Again, suppose you want to add a color, golden color, pick the eyedropper tool. Okay, I'll keep it with this white color only because we have to do this from the starting the procedure. So like this, so little bit you can reduce the size of this. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, if you don't want this image also, we can take it out. We could add some other image. So I'll just have anything you can add it. Bridal image. I have this with the maroon color. Suppose you want to use it, you can use it this one. So it should look more brighter and more beautiful. So that look image looks done. So you can use this one. This is to make advertisement, simple advertisement design. Okay. So here you can add your website and all. Just okay. So here in the down, we could add this one. Okay. So it should be in the middle. Okay. Next, this is in the middle like this. I don't want to give so much messages, not no need to add other things and all. So I'll just make my website name tanishk.com. I'll take one more box. Eyedropper tool. The shortcut is I. Using the paint bucket tool, you can give the color like this. Otherwise, you can have this golden color. Okay. So just go to the eyedropper tool. Pick this golden color. Using the paint bucket tool, you can add the color. Zoom it and do the changes. Okay. Next, I will go to the horizontal type tool. The same thing. So just add the website name. So what is the text color? Let me check the text color. Again, I'll use a black color only. So I don't want to use many colors here. www.tanishk.com. Okay. So it is a Q. Tanishk.com. Q is like this only in this font. So I'll change the font. Okay, so I'll just add some simple font. Okay, so this much is enough. Always adding font also very important. So that's why I'm showing you people what exactly the use of the font in Photoshop. So mainly to create a advertisement design. So you are seeing the poster design, pamphlet design, some of the advertisements in the mall and all, right. So everything which is done in this only, and same advertised design we can do it in the Corel Draw also. Okay, so just anything you can copy it, double click on the T and we can use any option. Okay, should be bold letter. Okay, so um, any other things we could add it here. What else we can add it? We need to check the posters. Okay, just I will do this much only. Okay, this is very simple design. Only with the simple designs only we have to make it. Okay, suppose I want to add the background color is different. Let me check. I'll just add one box and I'll take a new layer and I will go to this one that is called gradient tool. Suppose I want to add some other color. So what color it will look? So like this, matching, and some other color like this. This is also not matching. From here to here, it is also not matching. Okay, metals it will not match. Okay, so like that, let me check with the other option. Yeah, so I have all these options only. So once the background is changed, everything I should do the changes. Okay, let me add this Control D. So I'll bring it down. Okay, so everything I need to change. If the background I need to change, so no need to do any changes. So very simple. So this is also your assignment in the class. So you need to check all like whatever the class I'm doing. Okay, so in the classes, whatever the things I'm doing, all are the assignment. First class, what I have done, that is also one first assignment. Second class, what I have done, that is the second assignment. So collage work is one assignment, and next miniature is on one assignment, and this black and white to color, this bridal image, this is the third assignment, and this is the fourth assignment, and this is a collage work again is the fifth assignment. So like this, removing marks on the face, pimples, and again it is one more assignment. This also you can try, and this miniatures, reflections, and next last we have done in the last class that is the text tool. So this is also one assignment. Okay, so like that each class whatever the works we have done all are these are assignments only. Okay, you need to do at least 4 to 5 works because we still have some more classes. Okay, so in the starting itself I'm telling you people at least you have to do 4 to 5 works who are having the system facility and all these things. Okay, softwares and all if you'll get please try to do all these works. Okay, so let us see. I'll save this file save as, and I'll go to where desktop. I have made a folder called my Photoshop work. Again, I'll just give a advertisement design. So I'll just make a proper name for this advertisement design. So I'll just save this file. Next, file save as in the format of JPG format. Okay, this is a JPG format. Okay, so I'll same thing advertisement design which is going to save in the JPG format and the quality will be maximum. Okay, so this is the advertisement design. Simple. I'm not mentioning anything. Only the product in the sense. So the jewelry is the product over here and the logo of the company and the utsa here. Okay, so like this only. Suppose with the same size I want to do with a different design. For this only I don't want this celebrity image. Okay, this is one pattern to make the advertise. Suppose if I don't have this, okay, so what I'll do, I'll just I'll take complete black background. Okay, so I'll just add my product here. I'll not show any other things. So I'll just go to desktop So I'll take my product. Okay. So what I'll do, my product is this. I'll take my product. Okay. So I'll take my product here in the middle. Again, I'll keep it here. Okay. I will hide some of the things. Okay. So later I could use it. I will go to this magic eraser tool. So there is one tool here, magic eraser tool. I will go to this jewelry, this one, and rasterize this, and I will just remove the background of this. Okay, so I'll just I'll increase my brush size here, and so here we have the option of this. Only the product I want to show. Only this much you can show it. Otherwise, you can, yeah. I'll just remove all these things using the eraser tool. I'll just erase it. However you want, you just add this product. So we can keep it like this. This is one more pattern to making this design. I'll just add some background in the background. Uh, Background template. Okay. Let me check this will match for this. This is one template. So I'll keep it down. Okay, completely like this. Okay, so this is one pattern. Okay, so I have used the black color before, so now I'm using this. Okay, so again, even you can keep only the text like this. Here, not necessary, you have to use this box. Again, you can change the text also here. You can use a different color text over here. So you want to highlight this text means, so double click on this effect. Again, drop shadow. So here placing text and all, it is we need to check what we should place, what is the different contents we could add it, and we have to add our logo also. Okay, so let us see. Double click on this effects. Now whatever the options we don't want, we could remove this effect. Okay, so we could add some more drop shadow for this, and we can click on this. So distance of the shadow like this, and the stroke is nothing but the outline, and the gradient overlay, and the texture if you want. So not necessary all these things. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am. I think you're muted.
yeah, sorry. Okay, okay. Now it is audible, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what kind of extra text we could place it? So here, okay, some more things and all we could add it. Okay, here itself we could place the text. Still, we need to work more with this. Even half of these things we could add a different color to new layer. So again, I'll go to this one, golden color. Again, Control D. I will just one more color if you want it. So I'm just taking the box and I'll just select the color, any of this tone color I will select it, and I'll just add it. It won't look nice. In the eyedropper tool, this is the same color. I'll just leave here only. The same color. I'll make it little, because you want to highlight your text, your product and all. So we have to keep on changing with all these things. So it will not, we cannot do it in, it's not possible to do it in half day or sorry, half an hour or something. So we have to keep on checking. So what is the changes and all we have to make it, all these things. So just let us see, we can do some changes. Okay, so this is also one design, it will look nice. Even this shape, whenever you are clicking on this shape, layer 10, so always there is a blending options on the right side, and you can give the drop shadow, and again you can see the depth will come, so you can see the depth. Even you can add the texture for this. The texture will look like this. Okay, so this is also one good option. Okay, see, I have added the texture only for this background. It will not look plain now. Okay, let me check for this. Okay, only this much part. So what about this layer 9? So again, right click on this blending option. Again, if I give the texture, it will come like this. Okay, so if you'll add the texture, then only it is not looking plain. Okay, so otherwise it will look like a flat image. Okay, I'll check here also. Blending option, texture. So necessary, if necessary, you can add it for this down here, the texture. Otherwise, we could keep it like this only. I'll just off the effects, so it will look like this. If necessary, if you can on the texture, you can off the texture also. So this is the effects. So last class, whatever the effects I have teached you people, so you can apply it on the text also, you can apply it on the images also. Even this is there in the backside of this utsav. So let me check, is it necessary or not. Okay, so I'll just use something else. Okay, so control T, I'll just make it like this. Okay, okay, let me check if I'll go to the blending option. So whenever you will go to the blending options, I forgot to tell you in the last class. So there is the option of style. One second, everybody. Okay, so there is an option of style over here. So click on this style option. So you can see default effects over here. So there is an option of image effects. Just give OK. So we have multiple options over here like this. Okay, so we cannot use all the option. So this is one nice. And again, I'll go to the texture. So even we have this different options over here. So which is matching to this advertisement design. So let us use the same thing. Okay, so all these are not matching. So let me check some other option. Yeah, this is okay, I think. Even this is also enough for this. Okay, very simple one, we will use it. Okay, okay. Let me check with the other option. Photographic effect. Okay, so we will use a simple one. Okay, this much is enough, I think. So let us use some of the things like this. Okay, any of these options we can use it. Something better than black. Okay, even this is also okay. Since we can use it. I will use this one. So I'll just reduce the size of this. Okay. Again for the same shape, already effects are there. So double click on this. I'll just give the drop shadow and I'll just increase the size of this. So just give textures and all if you want to give. No need to give textures for everything. I'll just give okay. Let me finish this design. Okay, so wherever, so this is the blending option. Using the blending option, whatever the designs, what kind of designs we could create. So just I could reduce the size of this. Okay, so I could add some more text over here. Control T. I'll just scale this image. I'll keep it in the in between like this. I don't have any text to add here, so I will finish this one. Okay, because we need to do so many things over in this design, but I'll go for other product. I'll just go to file, save as. Again, I will save in the format of advertisement design. I'll just give one more name. I'll just save this file. Again, file, save as in the format of JPG format. Okay, so I have done already one design here. So again, one more design here. Okay, so this is in JPG format. So according to me, some more I need to do work with this. This is looking, both are looking same here. So let me, again, I want to change this. Okay, so if it is not there, it will look nice. So if it is not there, it will look one different design. So I could keep only this much. So here I don't think so. This much is enough. I will use the white color text for this. Yeah, this much is only enough. It is looking different. Here I could add some text. I could So I'll just save this file once again, and I'll just make it as a file save as, and again I'll just use it as a JPG format, and I'll just give a different file name, something 456, same thing. So you can see finally that which is better here, because we have done three different images. Okay, so you can find yourself that which is the better design here. So first design what we have made, this one. So this is one different design. So still I need to do more things with this design. This looking very plain. Again I'll go to one more design. So this is a different design. Only the ornament I have taken. Still I have to work with some more in this. Again I have to, this is the final design what I have done. Okay, still I need to do more with this. I could add some more text. Still I need to do some more modification in this. Okay, so this is just very easily simple kind of design, whatever you are seeing outside when you people are going for shopping. Okay, so just please observe those kind of designs. Okay, try to make same kind of designs. Okay, so just we could add some more text over here in this part. Okay, so I need some more text to find out for this. Okay, so just we could add, they have some address, franchises, and all those things. Any other offers, it will be there. So that also you can add it here. Okay, so this is the three different designs like this. This is with the celebrity, you can add it. Okay, okay. So next, the same thing only. Okay, so here this product is over. This is one product. Again, if I want to go for one more product, I'll take a new file. So I'll just go to the international paper again, A4 size. Again, I'll just go to again 297 divided by 210. This is one new file. Again, I'll just go to file place. Suppose I want to do with the any other product. Let me check what different product I can take. Yeah, I have many products over here. Bags are there, and okay, watches are over here. I could take any watches, and the cameras are here. I could take any product. So I want to make some designs over here. Okay, so I have this wristwatch design. Again, I'll take the background for this. Let me take 4 5 images. So let us match with one image. Let me take one more watch here. So I'm just placing different images together. So because I could add the background also for this. Okay. So because end of the day in the advertisement design also everywhere we have to match the image. So that is most important here. Okay. So all are in different layer. Again, once again, I will take one more image with a different background. Yeah, I'll take this. So let us Control T. I'll select this layer. I'll select this layer and I will go to the magic eraser tool and again right click on this raster layer. So if you'll remove like this, it will go here. Then I'll go to this one. What is this? So there is an option called magic wand tool or a quick selection tool. So I will select the, so I'll just increase the brush size, and so I'll select like this, and there is option here. So I'll just delete it. So if I don't want the background, just delete it. Again here, the selection. Okay, so how much ever you need, you don't want. So just add to selection and subtract selection. I have done already in the class, last class. Okay, so this tool is already over. Just delete it slowly. Otherwise, there is a polygonal tool. Otherwise, I again go to the magic eraser tool. Okay, again it is going. So let us see. I'll go to this option only. That is quick selection tool. Again, neatly it is selected. I will delete it. Okay, let it be this reflection. So now this is one different kind of advertisement design, which is having this kind of background. So you can keep it like this. You can rotate like this. So I'll keep it like this only. But this is not there full. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just control T and just scale the image. I'll just scale it. Let us see how this will look. And I will go to this watch image also, because here I want to highlight my product. I will increase the thing like this. If I don't want the reflection, so I could keep it here also. This is just in the background, so one kind of effect. Okay, suppose you don't want this effect, so what I'll do, I could remove this effect. I could add some other effect over here. I have some more effects I have downloaded, so even I could use this one. Control T. I'll just scale this. So here I'm not adding more text over here. Just I want my product and I will add some minimum text over here. Okay, so this I have the reflection already. So anything we can use it. Even I have this background also. I could bring it down. Okay. Again, if I want, I'll just go to the magic eraser tool. Just remove this also. Necessary, you can use it. Okay, just keep it like this only. So not necessary that option. So let me check this watch which is not having any name. Okay, so I'll just give Titan watches. Okay, so just I will make my own company title. So I'll just type the text, Control T, and I'll increase the text size. So just we have to use a different text over here. Double click on this, and proper text we have to use it. We have to check in the internet what kind of text they have used. Okay, we have to use the same font. Okay, so maybe they have used this one. Otherwise we can download the logo also. Okay, suppose we want that image from the internet, so we could download. any logo, Titan logo. So I'll just let it start. So next, any offers we could add it. So I'll just mention here 30% off. Oh, so I'll just increase the size of this, Control T. I'll just scale the image like this. So I'm just not mentioning anything. So I'll just add the offer. So with the different text, I'll go to here and this much I could add it. So here what I have to do, only offer, not necessary to highlight. So everybody know offer means, okay, so 30% means everybody easily they could find, yeah, there is some offer only it is going on. Okay, so I'll keep my off like this, Control T. I'll just scale this and enter, double click on this, and I'll keep my things over here. Otherwise I'll keep it over here only. So you need to highlight with different thing. Otherwise what I'll do, I'll just cut this text, Control X, and I'll keep it here, Control V. It will come here itself. So no need to continue in the next line. Means you can keep it like this only. So 30% off. Even I want to change the 30% text. Even no need to show the percentage also. I could reduce the size of this percentage. Not so much this thing. Again, and yeah, this much. And 30%. For 30, I'm using different text. Again, for the 30, I will use a different text. Okay, you can use it this one fancy text. So Control T, I'll just use it like this, 30% off. Okay, so this is the title and 30% off. And what I will do, I'll just want to highlight this part. So again, go to this rectangular tool. I will use the box over here and I will take a new layer and I will go to the gradient and here any color. Okay, so simple, I'm already in the simple one. Okay, so any darker color if you want, you could add it. Okay, not matching that much. Okay, so I'll select some other thing. Again, I'll go to the custom shape tool. So here we have some designs are there already. So we have different designs. Okay, so I'll just take some design. Any color, I could add it. Control Enter I'm doing here. So eyedropper tool, you can pick some color from here itself, from the watch itself we could add for this. Okay, so I'll just move a little bit up this title or you can keep it anywhere. Even 30% off. Control T, I'll just little bit I'll scale this and this layer. So I will make it little smaller over here. Okay, so is that clear everybody? So this is very simple design. Okay, so here again I have to add the drop shadow. Again this title logo I need to highlight and otherwise you can bring it from this so Titan logo. Okay, so you will get exactly from the internet. It is not working. Okay, fine. So here you could bring it so that the Titan logo is there. The same Titan logo, you can download it from the internet. You can place this same logo itself, because we don't have the permission to change their logo. Okay, so here I have done this much. So tomorrow class I will continue with some more design. Okay, so we'll modify with the simple products and all. Okay, so we will work out in the next class. We'll do some more advertisement designs. Okay, and we have some more effects, some more tools are there, filters are there, effects are there. So in the next class, Monday, you people have class, next class. So by the time we will do some more design. Okay, so just for today I will just save this file. Okay, so before saving the file, just I will add one drop shadow or something. I'll add it even for the 30%. Also I'll just add some blending options because it's looking very flat. Okay, the text not having the depth. Texture also you can add it. Okay, so it is not having that much depth. You can add it this much. Okay, so in the next class I will do some modification with this. Okay, so still I want to highlight this product with the different text color, all these things. See this white color, so it will more highlight this color. So like this, so everywhere golden color also it is not suitable. Even 30% also we could do some more changes. Okay, control T again. This off would bring it down like this. I could place it. Even this box I could keep it like this much. Okay, still not okay. Okay, only this much part is okay. The background and this watch design is okay, but text and all still I need to add some more. Okay, for today I will save this file as it is. Okay, and tomorrow let us complete. Okay, file save as the desktop, my Photoshop work. Again, add add one advertisement one. So advertisement 1 to 3 I have given. So same thing only. I'll just give again 4, 5, 6. So I'll just save the file. No need to replace this. So let us complete tomorrow. Okay. So again same thing. Save as in the format of JPG format. Okay. So I'll just save this file. Okay. So already 4, 5, 6 is there. Make it 5, 4, 6. I'll just save this file. Okay. So please everybody try to work with all these tools, all these designs and all. Okay.